Yo, hey guys, it's Lopez here, back with another video. So this is going to be like a market update stuff, like, I don't really know. This is going to be like a not price prediction video, not like tutorial. This is just me going to ramble on what I think that's happening on the market. So let's go. Okay, so currently the market is dumping a little bit. I think that there's going to be a little dump, and then we are going to get back on the higher levels. And I watched Alex Becker's video, so this is still playing out just as I thought, okay. But I have watched a lot of different videos, but like I have listened to what more smart people are saying about like cryptocurrencies in general, and none of those guys have talked about that USA has printed 35% of their total supply in the last 10 months USD. So which meaning that the current price of Bitcoin is the same as in the last bull run, and yeah, the buying power of USD has gone down a lot, like a lot. Okay, so none of those guys have talked about that. So I don't think that they are taking account that what we are going to see in the bull run, in my opinion, are going to be crazy ass numbers because there's so much USD sitting around everywhere. But what I wanted to cover in this video is not that. That's just like my thoughts. But what I wanted to cover here is when the big institutions start selling. Like, think about it. So my cell phone is here. But think about when, for example, Elon Musk, uh, Tesla bought Bitcoin. Okay, there and some other institutions also. What happens when Tesla's what happens when things crash is that people are not going to buy Tesla cars anymore. Okay, like if you think about it, if stock like if USD is going to crash, and if there's going to be like a downturn on the whole economy, like bigger one, nobody's going to go and buy electric car. It's like the ultimate luxury car, so nobody is going to like just go buy Tesla car. So that means that the stock is going down, and what that means that is the stockholders aren't going to be delighted, the supporters of the company, investors on the company. So Tesla has made crazy money with Bitcoin as it bought it now. So I believe that when it starts to go down, when these big companies also start to dump Bitcoin, because they are smart people, they know that there's going to be bear market and they can buy it a lot lower. So I think that they're going to take profits, and when that happens, the price is just going to dump brutally. And yeah, that's also a possibility here, but I think that, yeah, it could happen anytime, but I'm not saying it's going to happen now. I don't really know. It's just like a theory here. And yeah, if you really think about it, if you look at like Tesla stocks here, it has like, I made videos about Tesla stocks like right here, and I said that it's going down because even Elon Musk said that it's overpriced, and I think that it's very way overpriced. So yeah, yeah, it has gone down a lot, like a lot. But anyway, that's just that, my opinion only. So yeah, I think that as we as we get deeper on this economic downturn, there's a high possibility that these guys who bought now Bitcoin, they will dump on the market, because they, like, think about it, they make like a huge money, like 5 billion with Bitcoin, for example, Tesla. And do you think that they are just going to sit on that money, as they're going to sit on these gains, as Tesla just stocks and everything are going down? People are not buying the cars anymore. There's no profit. They are just going to sit on this 5 billion profit here, and not going to take profit. Like, I don't like. There's that very good chance possibility for that. So I think I have to take that also on how account when I'm thinking about the markets. But I do still think that if you go look at here alt season, people are coining that alt season is, look at here, alt season is back in the business. It's just like basically it is just starting. And yeah, in that season, altcoin should go really parabolic. I think that there's going to be like a last some like dips here, and then we just start going up like again. That's what I think, but of course it could be also that like the top was in and now it's just going to go down. That's also possibility, but I don't really I don't really believe that. I think that we are going to go up a lot, like a lot, like crazy gains, like I mean parabolic gains, and then at the peak somewhere the drop, like if the like you have to understand the parabolic gains are going to be insane. So that means the kinetic energy that has been sent is going to be also insane. This crash is going to be insane. So uh, with that being said, a lot of people from 2017 understand now and know and have educated also the audiences that when the price goes up, start taking profits little by little. So I don't know what if people are just going to do this, or are people just going to be as greedy as in the last 2017 bull run, because greed is a huge thing. Greed, like bigs get slaughtered. Okay, bigs get slaughtered like 100% every time. So if, I know that you like think about like situations when you have become greed. You always lose money. You always lose money when you are greedy, like always. So yeah. Um. Hmm. So with that being said, I think that people could start being greedy here, and it's just like think about it. People bought, for example, Bitcoin here now 50K, and if it goes like to 150K, people are have crazy profits here. And even if like some people bought Bitcoin at $3,000 or $5,000, the profits here are just insane. So why wouldn't they think? Why wouldn't they take profits? Okay, so that's when it comes to becomes overpriced and people start selling, and then this just bear market after that. Nobody thinks that this is possible. Nobody thinks that it makes sense. Everybody thinks that it's going to go up forever. Because it's so easy to get sucked into that it's going to go up forever. It's so easy to get sucked into that because you can't see the next candle there. You can't see what's going to happen next. So definitely, I think that this is a good reminder this day that there's also like the bearish side, because the bear market is brutal. It was very brutal. If you haven't in bear market, you will see. If you stick with cryptocurrencies a little while longer, you will experience bear market. It's horrible, but it's also the best opportunity. So that's why I love it. Basically, it's very boring, like 100% boring, and that's when the biggest opportunities are. And I have learned a lot during the 2017 bull run, 2018 bull run, also during the whole bear market um, cycle, and now this new bull market and all this crazy stuff. I have learned a lot. I can now think it a lot deeper and wider, which is why I think that when I create these videos about these coins, people who come here new, they just instantly want me to say that these coins, for example, the coins are going to go up. They don't want to hear this kind of stuff. They don't want to think about that it's investing. They don't want to think about it like in a bigger picture. They just want to come in and make crazy amounts of money. And you know what? Past couple of months, people have been doing that a lot. People have made 50x on these altcoins, and basically everybody is currently making money. Well, now as the downturn comes, but before that, everybody was making money for months. Every time you could buy anything and it would go up basically. Okay, so I think that's also a very good sign of that the bull market is closing to an end, because that's it. When it comes to markets, everybody can't win. Everybody can't win. It's that simple. It's yin and yang. Okay, there's always every reaction has its opposite and equal reaction. I think that's my favorite quote ever, because it's so easy to get lost in the sauce and not like come back into the reality. So yeah.